number you have dialed has been changed.
Crossbows. It's still a pistol. This thing's about 100 weight. What you do with this thing? This is so you can step on it and put that in your foot so you can load it, because this is real strong. The string right here, launch your arrow real good. But what you do is you cock it back till it snaps into place. This is what it shoots. Metal arrows. This thing's pretty heavy, balanced, good arrows. You get a pack of these things for like $5 for 10 of them. You just load your arrow. I'll show you. Load your arrow right in there, right on that little finger. Will hold it right there for you. Keep your finger off that trigger because it'll shoot this arrow pretty much into anything, and you don't want to smash up the wrong shit. With your arrow loaded, you can aim it. Arrows arch a lot more than bullets, so if you want to shoot, you gotta aim up a little bit and it'll arch down like throwing a dart. This thing's got enough pull on it that it's going to shoot pretty far for about 20-25 feet. Anything farther than that, you need to adjust your sights so that you can shoot an angle. Shoot up and get your target. Go ahead and unload this thing. I'm going to show you how fast this is. Now that I've unloaded it, it's not recommended to dry fire, but I'm going to show you how hard this thing's going to hit. Boom! Robin Hood. Steal from the rich and keep it. That's me. This thing's fun to play with. It's more of a toy, but you can murder some squirrels or some rabbits because you're gonna have to reload and put your arrow on there to shoot. It's no good. You're not gonna be able to tuck this into your pocket or your backpack or satchel. If you pull this out, it'll get stuck all over the place. This thing will shoot pretty far as long as you know where to aim. Pretty basic. It's fun. Shoot these metal spikes. They'll mess you up. Imagine one of these things coming at you. Oh no! It's gonna go in there pretty good. It's like shooting a pencil at you. He'll bust you up pretty bad. You don't want to get hit with one of these things. Look how sharp that is. You know, use this little thing to pick your teeth. This thing loaded in here. We'll fire out of this thing. Imagine getting somebody in the ear. Boom. Bad idea. Best thing to do is you throw some pennies at them and they're like, oh, look, some pennies. Let me bend over and pick them up. And then you go, oh, those are my pennies. And they look up with their mouth hanging up. Boom. This thing. Right down their mouth. Get them in their esophagus. Hit them in the little hanging bag. Kick someone right in the balls and and you shoot them in the mouth, right in your uvula. Done. Done deal. Mini crossbow pistol, they're fun to play with. You know, whatever. It's like a toy. Not too much damage, not too much mess. You can give it to a baby. Just to start off your crime spree with. And elevate up to bigger weapons and bigger calibers and more stronger guns.